What's going on, guys? This is Blamark here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to create a YouTube channel. So yeah, you need a Google account. I might have to do another tutorial on this. If not, you can find out how to make a Google account elsewhere. In this video, we're not going to be focusing on making a Google account, but we will be focusing on making a YouTube account. Of course, you need to sign into YouTube in your normal Google account. And then once you've done that, right, you need to head on over to your icon in the corner of the screen and select create a channel. And then once you've done this, a pop-up should show up and it should tell you to get started. You select get started. If you want to enter a custom name, select the one on the right, and then you add a channel name. So in this case, I'm going to be calling this YouTube channel, because why not? You need to understand all the stuff, then press create. And then it says, nice work, your account's been created, and all this amazing stuff. You then need to set a profile picture. So for me, I'm just going to pick any random profile picture. As you can see here, I've got a profile picture which, you know, I had saved on my computer from the past. I don't know when I used it somewhere. I think it was like for Skype or something like that. I'm not too sure. It was a while back now. And then once you've set this, there should be other options here as well. As you can see here, tell viewers what you think about your channel. In my case, I just wrote welcome to my channel with a smiley face. And then there's links here. Links are the stuff which come up on your about page. I'll show you on my channel later. So yeah, here we are, the channel. That easy. This is a dead easy tutorial. Creating a YouTube channel is pretty easy. It's easier than what it used to be back in the day. You do of course need a Google account. Look, there's channel settings here. You know, this is the about page here, and as you can see, the links. These are the links. Let's type in Blamark a minute, just so we can show you what I'm on about. Let's go to my about page. Yeah, so here, look, I got my description, and then I've got my links underneath. Links which send me to Twitter, YouTube Gaming. I don't think YouTube Gaming exists anymore. I might have to get rid of that. Don't mind if I do. So yeah, now that I've got that over and done with, I'm back to my channel. I'll just go over some brief summarizing stuff a minute. So yeah, there's lots of instructions about lots of different stuff. I think that was like an invitation to the new YouTube studio. I don't think that was exactly instructions, but oh well. Look, upload videos. If you just go down here to your analytics a minute, to your comments, to subtitles, monetization, you know, audio library. This is where you can find all your stuff which will allow you to create and do stuff for your channel. In here you got your settings, you know, basic YouTube settings pretty much, which allow you to do stuff. If you go back to your main channel page and then head into the corner into these settings, which is different settings by the way, and then you go to channel status and features, this is when where you can enable monetization, thumbnails, longer videos, and all this amazing stuff. You will of course need to verify your YouTube channel. As you can see here, verify. You come into this, you know, you have to verify it using your phone or something along that, like those lines. Yeah, I highly recommend verifying your channel before you start doing stuff on it. I highly recommend enabling longer videos and, you know, thumbnails and all that. They are stuff which are important and crucial to a YouTube channel. My mic, which is down there, my main one, has stopped working suddenly. I do not understand why. I don't know what's happened. It has been playing up for a really long time now. It's been leading up to this really. I'm gonna have to get a new one. So I've just resorted to using my webcam mic for the time being. I don't know if my next video will be my webcam mic, my old mic, or a new mic. I don't know. I'll make sure I sort out my mic before the next video. I do not promise this though. It's highly unlikely that I will have it sorted out by the next video, but over the next 1 or 2 videos I will get it sorted out. You probably noticed a you know, a blue outline around the screen. That's just staying there as an experiment at the moment. I will not be keeping it there forever. However, I may do, depending on, whether it goes well or not. This is a Blamark, and I'll see you all in the next video, which will be out soon.